is my Tortilla wrap with beef, carrots, and salad. Watch this video to the end, guys. This looks so delicious. If you want to know how I make this video, please watch this video to the end, guys. Happy weekend to you guys. How are we all doing? Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a simple recipe. Okay, we are going to be making tortilla wrap today, guys. As you can see, we are making tortilla wrap today with beef and carrots. We are using beef and carrots and salad. So guys, let's go into the video. Before I forgot, my lady out there, my men out there, if today is your first time of coming across this particular channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel, and I thank you for stopping by, guys. I really appreciate. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. My returnees, thank you so much for always be there for me. If not you guys, I wouldn't be here today. I so much love you guys. You guys are so awesome. You are wonderful. One love. Thank you so much. Continue doing it the way you are doing it. Please share this video out. I want to make a simple tortilla wrap. Okay guys, let's get into the video. Okay guys, let's go into the video. I have this thing already. It was made already. This is carrot, potato, and beef inside. So I will be adding salad as well. Then add more meat and little salad as well. Okay guys, I will be adding a little ketchup inside. Yeah, as you can see it. Okay, that one is okay. Now I'll wrap it. Okay guys, I already make wrap one already here. Okay, let me wrap the other one. This is the second one we are making. You know, once in a while, once in a while, not always. Okay, guys, because this kind of food, it makes someone fat. For me, I'm eating it, but I'm not getting fat. For my people out there, depends how you eat it. So when I make my own, I know how I make it, and I take care of myself. I don't eat it anyhow. So guys, if you want to make yours, you feel free not to put mayonnaise or put ketchup, because some people make their own with mayonnaise. I prefer to make my own with ketchup. Okay, feel free to use any one of your choice, guys. Okay guys, as you can see, this is the last one we are making here, because I make 3. This is much because I am bigger, so you can see everything in here, guys. This is so beautiful. This food is going to be so delicious, guys. Keep on washing, and after I wrap this one, it will go to the oven because I'm using oven to make it. So continue washing, guys. Stay tuned and continue washing. Okay, I'm taking the tortilla wipe to the oven right away. See you guys later when everything is ready. Okay guys, as you can see, my tortilla wipe is ready. It's a little bit here. Wow, let's cut it and see how it is inside, guys. Okay guys, it's ready. As you can see how it came out very well. Guys, try it. It came out so well, guys. Wow, this one is easy and a quick meal. If you are tired, you don't know what to make, just make this, and it's very easy to make. It's easy one as that, guys. Thank you for joining me for today, guys. I really appreciate you guys. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please share this video to your friends, to your family. Share. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload, as I said earlier, you will be the first to be notified, guys. Thank you, and see you for my next video. You know that anytime I make food, I won't allow you guys just to live without telling you how the food came out. So let's test, see it. Wow, this is so nice. Let's see how the food tastes. Guys, this food is too yummy. I just want to see you. I remove something from it. With the ketchup inside. Oh my god, it tasted so delicious. Try it, guys. So yummy. See you for my next video. Bye bye.